Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on incognito mode on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on incognito mode on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps on your phone, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And this kind of interface will appear where you can see the incognito mode option available for us over here. Tap on turn on incognito mode, and then your Google Maps will restart and enabling the incognito mode on your Google Maps. And you can see it says here incognito mode has been turned on. And let's close this. And during your incognito mode on Google Maps, none of your search history or your personal routes will be saved on your Google Maps accounts. So this is how you will be able to turn on incognito mode on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.